Do you like this thumbnail? Or this one? What about this one? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make thumbnails like those. And all you need is a simple app on your phone. Okay, once you get in, download the app Pixart. Oh wait, what? I need to update it. Okay, one sec. Okay, whenever you're ready, click on it and then click this little plus. Then click see all. Then press search. And search up Gorilla Tag. Okay, and then stuff like this should show up. And these are your backgrounds. So I'm just going to click like this one. And then whenever you're here, this is not the right ratio for YouTube. So you're going to click fit and then this one because it's YouTube. Or you could click, but now there's two white blocks on my screen, so I have to get rid of those. So you're going to click on layers and then you're going to click on the thumbnail that you used or the background. And then you're going to click unlock on that little lock button and now you can move it around. So you're going to make it big enough so that it's covering those white parts. Now you're going to go into stickers. Okay, and then you're going to click Gorilla Tag. And now there's a bunch of Gorilla Tag people that you can click from. I'll just pick, I don't know. One sec. Okay, now that I have my gorilla, he's not the right color code for my thing. So I'm going to change him by clicking effects and then going into colors and then color replace. And if you just tap on this, then you can like change his color. So I'm going to be like a light dark blue. This looks okay, but it's kind of like dark. So I'm going to go into adjust, and then I'm going to change the brightness and the saturation. And maybe the clarity. Oh no, I'm not going to change that actually. So I'm going to add like a shadow by clicking the button that says shadow. And then you're going to blur it all the way and make it a little bit less visible. Now I'm going to add a border around him. So you're going to click border and then make the amount a bit smaller. Like that. And then you're going to press duplicate and then put him over top of this guy. And then click on the bottom layer. Make the border black. And then if you make it a little bit bigger, it'll make this like, it'll make this like two border effect. It's kind of cool. Okay, next we're going to add the text. So I don't know what I'm going to say. I'm just going to say thumbnail or something. And then I'm going to make this. And if you want, you can do a gradient by going to color, gradient, and then changing this. If you do white, then you can do like a gray gradient with white so it looks like kind of, I don't know, good. You can also add a drop shadow to that by clicking shadow and then making the opacity a little bit smaller. And you can also change the position. Okay, I think we're pretty much done with this. Now we need to go into this and click black fade. And then find like something that looks like this. And then we can stretch it out so it's like that. But we don't want it too, you don't want it too visible. Just a little bit. So you can like change the opacity. Okay, now we're gonna add some glow. So we're gonna go into here and type in glow. Then scroll down until you find something like this, like a red glow. So we're gonna make it as big as this guy. But it's not gonna look like this. Then click effects, color replace, and then change it to the color that you made your monkey. And then go into blend, click screen, and then change the opacity so it looks a little bit less bright. Now it's time to add some shadows. So I'm gonna add another one of these monkeys and put them in front with no background or with no border. And then add another one with no border and put it in front of that. I might do this a harder way than normal people would. And get rid of all the shadows on these guys. Okay. So now the ones that you just added, go into the one underneath the one that you added, and then change the color to black. So how you're gonna do this is by going to artistic, and then do sketch, and then click on it, and then change this color to black. And now you have a black monkey. So now click on the monkey over top of that, and then go into erase, and then make the hardness pretty low, and make the opacity pretty low. And now you can just shade. Okay, it should look something like this, and I think we're ready to save, unless you want to add some more stuff, like change the background settings. Just do whatever you want. But yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, please like and subscribe. I really want to get to 10K. Thank you. Bye!